In this video, I'm back at Binaryx and the BingX token. We'll be talking about what happened yesterday, what's been going on over the last couple of days, because as you can see, we have been dropping massively. We'll be talking about whether this is a scam, whether there's manipulation, and what's basically the most likely scenario from here. We're back at the lows we made yesterday. Yesterday, when I did the analysis, we were having some more bullish momentum, but it didn't get us anywhere. So we're back at $60, and as you can see, I even expect this to drop down to $40, but that's what we'll be discussing in this video. It's also kind of like an update to everything that's been going on. So let's get right into it. First of all, welcome back to the channel. That's obviously what I wanted to say as well, and I hope you're all having a great Monday. Binaryx isn't. I mean, the volume is dropping. Volume was very high yesterday because we were dropping now massively, as you can see. A lot of selling on the centralized markets, still quite a lot on the centralized markets. And altogether, it's a bad look for Binaryx. We'll go over their reactions to it as well, because they had some reactions to it, like that they would buy up BingX tokens. But for now, I mean, to me, it's very clear that BingX, whether it's by the team or not, and I'm a pretty positive guy. Normally I choose to give people the benefit of the doubt. I don't think the team did it, but there's one thing for certain, and that is that BingX is manipulated. I mean, it has been bullish and very bullish, like ever since the 25th of February. Well, we all know that the market has been far from bullish, and then that all came down crashing right about here. So it seems like some large scale manipulation by either the team. I mean, I'm not fully saying that's not a possibility, or by Wales. Wales seems to be the more likely scenario. So that all came crashing down last Saturday, or not last Saturday, actually started last week Saturday, and since then we've been crashing down a lot, like a lot. We're already falling down here. Here you could have already known. I mean, market circumstances like this you almost never see. And that ended with a huge crash right here. So altogether, I mean, Binaryx, you might like the project or not. I don't necessarily do. It looks shady. The team is unknown, and apart from that, there are some other red flags as well. So if you want to research that, go ahead. To me, I mean, if there's one thing certain about everything that's going on right now, is that I would never invest in BingX again, especially not with what happened. But also, the project itself doesn't look that solid either. So if we then check out Twitter, they had their reactions ready for it yesterday. Is what you could see is that they said some more things, but here you can see. So they said not a single BingX is sold by the team. They will buy back BingX soon, which would be bullish for the price, but we have to see that first. We'll relaunch Binaryx DAO to fairly decide the buyback plan with revenue from Heroes auction. 6.5 million BUSD will be spent on buyback. It's just it's I don't know. All right, I mean, if they are really going to buy back BingX is going to be more bullish. But would I buy it? No, because I mean, I don't know if you can trust them. And I'm not sure. I mean, if you think you can trust them, I mean, it might be a good buy now, because that would mean that you trust that they're going to buy it back, and they're going to buy it back in such a way that the price will actually go up. See, I mean, things like these do make me believe that it's not the team that did this, but I'm not sure. It's still it has been manipulated. So I would, if you really want to make some profit on BingX, I would follow everything that they're going to do. But for now, like, if they're really going to buy back BingX, what could happen is that we get up to like 100 or 105 again. But who says that the people who manipulated BingX in the first place will not manipulate it again, right? So even though we could go up a lot with that buyback, I think afterwards we would drop down even lower than the level we were at right now at $60. I think we would drop down to 50 and to 40. So I still expect that. I think we're going to drop down to 50 and $40. Whether that's with a rally in between because of the buyback or not, it doesn't really matter to me, but it might matter to you. So yeah, that's my take on BingX. Altogether, I do want to say be careful. All right, it's that's probably the most important thing to be at this point of time with BingX. But that's my take, and that's my, my update on BingX for today. So if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, take care and bye.